Hey guys, today we got a slime kit with orange clear slime.
Glue.
Glue. And some orange glitter and my blue glitter from like my.
So we're going to try out that kit to see how well it works. It's a Nickelodeon.
Nickelodeon? Does it work?
It's a Nickelodeon. Well, the last time we tried a Nickelodeon slime, it didn't work. But we'll try this one. And then Angel's just going to try to do her own regular slime.
And activator.
Yep. So you got white glue. So go ahead and pour your glues in your bowl. Take your lid off it, honey.
It's like mine
is it too hard? You need help?
I'm taking the lid off. I'm putting all of it. This is easy how to get it out. See, Mom, I use my spoon to open a little hole in it.
No, Angel. Just hold it like that and it'll slowly empty out.
Ew, it stains. A bubble!
Angel.
I'm popping the bubbles. It says something on my dough.
Here, it's part of the instructions. So here, give it to me.
You're ripping it.
Would you like me to do it?
No, I got it.
Angel, don't play. You don't want to make a mess. I got scissors. Would you like me? Thank you. Angel.
Okay, it's not done.
You're going to fling glue. So just let it drip.
Whoa. Whoa, I got a little activator.
Okay, here you go, Davy. Put your glue in your bowl.
Mom, it's not even done yet.
Well, just keep holding it like that.
It's different than the big one.
Yeah.
Okay, it's done. It's orange.
Mm-hmm.
There's only a little bit, not full. Can I smell it? It smells like normal glue. Oh. It smells just like slime. Mama.
No, take the whole lid off. The whole lid.
We're just going to use this.
Yeah, just use the whole thing.
It farted. Hear it?
Mm-hmm.
I'm all done with my glue bloob. Okay, guys, look. Would you like my dress? That's a lot of glue for one little bottle.
Yeah.
Luckily I grabbed this little bowl. And look what I got. More.
It's okay.
What if this is more than yours? Oh, can I just eat it? Look, guys. Hey, Mom. Look. This is a prank. It's ice cream. Look. There's drizzles on the side. Put white, Davy. Look, drizzle.
Yeah.
And do you want a little bit of orange glue? Yeah.
Just you dump it. You try it. Go ahead if you wish.
Yeah,
Put your bowl over there.
Yeah, Davy. There you go. Do you want a little bit of white? Oh, thank you. Can I stir it?
Well, no, just wait a minute. Okay, so if you want some glitter, Davy's got the orange glitter.
I want the blue.
Angel's got some blue
glitter.
glitter.
Wait, Angel, pass me. Does this stuff some glue in it? Yeah.
It should. It might.
I just want to close it.
But then it'll change yours. Yours won't be a clear orange glue no more if you put white in it.
So would mine be orange? Orange is
Not
what?
really.
I'm good.
Just wait a minute, Davy. I can get that if you need help.
Got it. Oh, got it, Mom. Okay.
All right, add your glitter. You can use as much glitter as you wish.
All of it? No,
Davy can.
Why?
If he wants. Okay, Angel, here's some blue. Listen, be very careful.
I know. I need like some toilet paper. Done.
Okay, let's see.
I need some glitter.
Just
I want some. Could I have some orange? That's no.
Just stick it on here.
There you go.
Oh, okay.
Could you use all of it?
No, just Put your lid on it. So we got, Angel's got some orange and blue.
Here you go, Davy. Here.
Okay, 1 minute.
Lid's not on tight. Please stir it.
Yeah, you can mix it up if you wish. And then we'll add in some.
It's not coming out.
You gotta put it upside down. Yep, just mix it.
Come on. Come on, glitter. There we go. Mom, look, it's looking beautiful. Wait, I still need some. I need a little bit more blue.
Okay.
I'm just gonna dump it.
Okay, not too much.
I just need a little bit more. Too much orange that I just put in.
Oh, well, yours is blue. I mean, it was orange. Orange and...
He used all of the orange?
It's okay. Well, his was supposed to be blue, but, I mean, orange, but he's making it a lot blue. Okay, mix, and I'll add in some activator.
Let me use this activator.
Just wait a minute. No.
Mine looks cool. Look, Mom. My activator. Look, it's like a metallic blue.
Let me. Really?
Let me feel. It's getting thicker. It's little. I think mine is working. Look, this is the best slime they ever made, Mom. Look, already turning into slime, Mom. See?
Yep.
Ew. That fast.
Yeah, keep it mixing.
I think I should
Mix. Stop putting your fingers in it. Just mix it.
I think I should borrow the metal spoon. I need more glitter. No. Oh, mine is a dark orange.
Oops. Break it out up.
I need some baking powder. Ew. Mash it up. Can you add some baking powder after?
No, just mix yours up.
I'm mashing it up. Why does Angel's need some baking powder?
Because hers is a little bit different.
Oh, not it.
Okay, stir it. You gotta stir.
Stir. It's getting on the side. Look. Oh. I think my slime would turn out cool. Look how orangey it is. Look at Bluey. Wait, I mixed it.
No, just keep mixing.
No more. I don't want no more.
Because it'll make it turn like a brown.
Look how cool. It's dark orange. Mine's dark. Look, Mom. Look. Mix it up like noodles. Look, Angel. Mix it up like it's noodles. Like this. Let's see. Ooh, more activator.
Oops. Okay.
Too much. That's my activator.
It's okay. Stir it. You gotta stir.
Oh!
Yeah,
look,
stir.
Mom, I think it's ready.
Angel, it's not ready to stir.
It's wet still. I remember last time mine didn't work out.
Yeah.
It ate my spoon.
Mine
will let it stir.
Just keep stirring.
Mom, look, my breath is cereal. Mom.
Is it too? Feel it with your fingers, David. Is it sticky? Too sticky?
What does that mean?
Oh, put in a little bit
more.
Mom,
there's no more glue.
Use your fingers to squish it with your hands.
Yeah, it's working. See?
Okay, squish it up with your fingers.
No, I just want to keep on stirring. Fine, I like one. Oh, can Angel use her hands now?
Yeah, she can use her hands.
No, I need more glue.
Use your hands to see.
Could I have more baking powder?
No, it's hard. Yours is hard enough.
It's wet still.
Because you gotta. Yes, that's what you've got to do and get it going.
My hands are glittery.
Yeah.
You gotta play with it.
Sometimes that's how helps it mix it up.
Play with it.
I'm
gonna have all the activator.
Yeah, yours is kind of wet. You might need more glue.
Oh, a few more. Could you go get more? We have some more glue. It's big.
Is yours too sticky?
Didn't feel mine.
Mix it up.
Now that just made it even stickier.
See, I don't care for the Nickelodeon slime.
I think mine's turning out. Mine is turning out even better. It's getting soaked. Woo!
So, you guys' slime did not work out. I think you need more glue.
Me too.
I don't think you need more glue.
I do.
Angel does. Hers is, too hard.
And not stretchy. Put a little bit of baking powder.
No. Might turn it hard.
Ew.
Mix it with that.
Oh, look how much juice. I'm squeezing all the juice out. I need more glue. I think the baking powder might work.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't care for the Nickelodeon slime. It never turns out for us. Yeah, it's popping.
Let me feel yours. Don't, you got it wet. That's sticky for me. Mom, could you have more glue?
Okay, so we let Davy's Nickelodeon slime
sit
for a little bit, and it turned out not too bad.
I tried it.
Let's see, can you stretch it apart?
Here's this.
Oh, yeah, it's got pop. It pops.
When it's still wet, it popped.
Yeah.
It's not stretchy, look.
It was a little stretchy. Angel was just playing with it.
Stretch it slow. Play with it, Davy? God, playing with it was very fun.
Let me hear it pop. Yep, so that one turned out not too bad.